to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a zebra pen marker swatch unboxing. This whole thing. I am super excited to say that they have asked me to be an artist ambassador for them, and I have been a fan of zebra since I started collecting stationery items. I have always loved Zebra brand. Personally, I'm still going to school for grad school. I have classes year round, so that means I don't stop during the summer. So if you guys are a student out there, I definitely recommend Zebra products. They are amazing. These are just a few that they've sent me to try out and test for you guys. I'm super excited to get into it.
Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the Mildliners. These are in the highlighter colors, which means they are super neon. Great for studying, notes.
Ryan Little.
Next are these ClickArt marker pens. I rave about this all the time. These are amazing. I took notes with these before.
Ryan Little.
So these pen write in 0.6, which gives it a nice medium between not too fat and not too thin. I usually write in 0.5, but this 0.6 is not too bad either. This is the glitter highlighters that I was talking about on my Instagram. I was so stoked to try these out. For first impressions, they look like super princessy vibes. So you can see that I took a pause here because I was so amazed at how glittery it actually is, but it's so subtle that you can't really see it. I don't think my camera does it justice, but you guys can kind of see how glittery it is and shimmery that is. Very subtle, but amazing. Next are these brush pens. These brush pens have a great tip. It's super controlled to where you can make your lines thin and fat, and the colors are also really nice. Next are the smooth, non-smearing pigment ink pens. Now, I rave about my other pens a lot, so I was super excited to try these out, and they definitely blew my mind.
Ryan Little.
I can't believe this comes in a pack of 20 because there are so many colors to choose from and they all write in 0.5. So you guys know how much I love writing in 0.5. These pens are so amazing. They have a nice grip on them when I hold on to the pen. I don't see a lot of inking. Moving on to the Zebra Zensation Technical Pens.
Ryan Little.
Next are these shimmering metallic ink markers. I was super excited to try these out because I love myself metallic anything. Gold is one of my favorite colors. Again, my cameras do not do these colors justice, but look how metallic they are. Lastly, I have this brush pen. This one is a medium tip brush pen. These have such a nice controlled tip to them. I really enjoyed the way that it wrote. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.